Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off caps lock, scroll lock, and number lock beep sound in Windows 11. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my laptop with Windows 11 and I'm going to show you how we can turn off the beep sound. So anytime I click on my caps lock or scroll lock or number lock, there will be a sound like, and I'm going to show you how you can turn it off. So first thing first, you need to go to your setting. You can click on the start menu first and then go to the setting, and in the setting you need to go to the accessibility setting, then scroll down until you find the keyboard setting, click on it, and then here you will be able to turn off the beep sound anytime you click your caps lock or number lock or scroll lock. You have to disable it. Just click on the toggle button to disable the toggle keys. Okay, and I'm going to try to press my caps lock, and as you can see that the click sound or the beep sound is turned off. Alright guys, and that's all the way to turn off caps lock, scroll lock, and number lock beep sound in Windows 11. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.